Hi, this is Karen from So Creative in Ashland, Oregon, and today I want to show you a close-up of our brand new block of the month called Nature's Notebook. It's a 12-month program that we're just starting. We are using Tim Holtz fabric from Free Spirit and beautiful hand-dyed wools, lots of different kinds of threads. You'll do embroidery, you'll do wool applique, and let's take a closer look. So it's a very collage-y looking quilt. You can see the birds. I hand embroidered around them to make them pop off the fabric. Then here's one of our floral blocks. In this case, I used some flax kinds of yarn to do the stems. We use the hand-dyed wool. We even use some wool roving for the centers of the flowers. You can see our leaves and our moths. Here's another one that I love. In this case, we did a little bit of embellishing with embroidery floss. You get Valdani pearl cottons. Here's more of the beautiful hand-dyed wools. And notice the little bits of linen rickrack that we scatter throughout the quilt. All of that comes in the kits. Here's another beautiful block. So you're going to get the pattern, you're going to get all of the wool, you're going to get the threads, you're going to get silk threads also to make the stems, and then you also get the linen. Here's another block with the birds and the leaves. Here's a beauty that you're doing with pearl cotton. I'll get closer so you can see all of my little French knots. And the fabric is just great. It's wonderful for collage. So the quilt has a very modern feel, and it's kind of antique-y at the same time. Here's a bird's nest that you get to do. Again, we're using silk yarn from Japan to embellish the nest. Here's a wonderful feather, and again you can see that linen rickrack. Irises are another of my favorites. We'll go over here to these pretty flowers. And we end with the bird. So over a 12-month period of time, you get all of the fabric, our original patterns, the rickrack trim, lots of Valdani thread, lots of silk threads, and you end up with an absolutely gorgeous quilt. So I hope you'll join us. Thanks for watching.